Want to make sure you're using the latest version of Windows Calculator. Keeping the app updated gives you access to new features, performance improvements, bug fixes, and the latest security updates. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to update Windows Calculator in 2026. First, click the Start menu, search for Microsoft Store, and open it. This is where Windows Calculator receives its updates. Inside Microsoft Store, click Library from the left sidebar. Here you'll find updates for all the apps you've installed from the Microsoft Store. Click the Get Updates button. Yeah, Microsoft Store will automatically check for newer versions of your installed apps, including Windows Calculator. If an update is available for Windows Calculator, click Update or let Microsoft Store install it automatically. The process usually only takes a few moments. Once the update finishes, open Windows Calculator from the Start menu to confirm it's working properly. You'll now have the latest improvements and bug fixes. To receive future updates automatically, open the Microsoft Store settings and make sure app updates are enabled. This keeps Windows Calculator and your other store apps up to date without requiring manual checks. And that's how to update Windows Calculator in 2026. Keeping Calculator updated helps ensure you always have the newest features, better performance, and the latest fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.